Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Samsung BD-JM63 3D Blu-ray player, a renewed model that promises a lot of features for a reasonable price. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater without breaking the bank, this might be the player for you. First off, let's talk about the design. It's a sleek black box that will fit seamlessly into most entertainment setups. It's not flashy, but it's functional and doesn't feel cheap. The real magic happens when you start using it. The BD-JM63 supports 3D Blu-ray playback, which is a huge plus if you have a collection of 3D movies. The upscaling to near 4K UHD is also a welcome feature, making your older DVDs and Blu-rays look sharper and more detailed on a 4K TV. While it's not true 4K, the difference is noticeable and definitely enhances the viewing experience. One of the standout features is the built-in dual-band Wi-Fi. This ensures a stable and fast connection for streaming content and accessing the smart features. Speaking of smart features, the Smart Hub interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can access popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hulu directly from the player. Screen mirroring is another great addition, allowing you to easily share content from your smartphone or tablet to your TV. This is perfect for showing off photos, videos, or even playing games on a bigger screen. The All-Share feature further enhances connectivity, allowing you to stream content from other devices on your home network. In terms of audio, the BD-JM63 supports Dolby DTS 7.1 channel decoding, delivering immersive sound quality when connected to a compatible audio system. The HDMI output ensures a high-quality audio and video signal, while the USB port allows you to play media files from external storage devices. Now, since this is a renewed model, it's important to manage expectations. While it should function like new, there might be minor cosmetic imperfections. However, the savings you get compared to a brand new player often make it worth the compromise. Overall, the Samsung BD-JM63 is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable and feature-rich Blu-ray player. The 3D playback, near 4K upscaling, smart features, and built-in Wi-Fi make it a versatile addition to any home theater. Just remember that it's a renewed model, so inspect it carefully upon arrival and make sure it meets your expectations. If you're on a budget and want a player that can do it all, the BD-JM63 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.